Hi everyone, Rainy here, and today I'm on my maiden voyage in my Chesapeake Bay Dead Rise DIY. You can see it's not leaking much, so I'm floating well. I'm actually underneath it in a thunder shower. I wanted to come underneath here and see how my tarp is doing, to see if it's leaking, to see how everything's going. So let me give you a rundown. I'm getting leaked on a little bit here. I should have buckets everywhere, right? So I'm getting leaked on a little bit here, not much. And looking around, I can see there's some puddles over here, but down here I got some big low spots. And I'm getting a puddle there. So I think what I'm going to do once the rain goes away is I think I'm going to actually fill in with some gravel or something, and I'm going to make sure that I shore up the foundation a little bit more. I need to make sure everything is still level, because with all this water I'm not sure how it's going to settle. I got some pretty big cement blocks, but I'm going to shore it up a little bit more. But I'm getting to see now how things are going. But you can take a look at, see how that hull is looking? Look at that. So there we go, you can see how that's looking there. Just think of me, I'm on the ocean, okay? It's very wavy out here. So anyway, I just wanted to come out here to see how it's working out. Everything is still pretty dry. Again, it's been covered now. We've been having rain on and off. This is like the third day, and I think tomorrow it's going to be nice, but we've been having a lot of on and off rain. So I'm doing all my work in the garage right now. In fact, I'm building a new transom and the frame for the swim deck, because the original ones, for what I wanted to do, just wouldn't work. So I ripped them apart and I'm redoing them so they'll work out better. So it looks like we just had a break in the storm, so I think I'm going to swim to shore and get to safety. So thanks for watching. I appreciate having you here, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Where's my life preserver now? Oh boy.